What's up, everybody? Been a while. V here. So, been very busy. Anyway, let's get right into it. We have cases from Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. This is for the Galaxy Note 20 Plus. We have the purple, red, and blue. I have a green one on right now. I've dropped it a couple of times and I see some cracking up in the corners here, so it's doing its job. So what we're going to do is uninstall that, and we're going to reinstall one of these, probably the blue one. So if you haven't had the chance, please like, comment, subscribe. I will be right back. All right, everybody, I'm back. So we have the three cases here. Of course, I'm not going to be installing each. They're all the same. So I think I'm going to pick the blue one, like I said before, Unicorn Beetle Supcase. So this will be an uninstall. I know people always ask about uninstalls on some of these cases because they're difficult, but let's get into it. Here we go. So I can already notice, like I said, wow, I actually got cracking in 3 of the corners here. Oh no, let me adjust the lighting. Give me a second, hold on. All right, I apologize, so maybe that's a little better. So up in the corners, I don't know if you can see, there's cracks here, here, and here. So let's see what damage was done. Because I dropped it about 4 times and I really wasn't paying attention. And the other day I looked and I saw a crack. And this is for the Note 20 Ultra, or I'm sorry, Note 20 Plus. Oh, look at that. There we go. So, I mean, it's doing its job. I mean, it did break, but I mean, that's what they're supposed to do. So look at that. Like I said, I dropped it. I mean, the phone's fine. A little wipe down. Back part's fine. I love these cases. I like the little kickstand. I wasn't a big fan of them at first, and you know, they've just grown on me over the years. I don't know why, because they're really practical. So here we go. Box. That's all that's in the box. Got a little cards here. See, what is this? Updates, get discounts and giveaways. Thanks for your support. Case did not come with a built-in screen protector. So I'm usually not a fan of those either anyway. So here we go. Oh, that blue is nice. Check that out. There's a little belt clip here. I never use these either, but I guess you can also use it to, let me see. No, that doesn't come off, never mind. I've seen a couple where you can also use them as stands, kind of sit it on if you want to watch like a movie or something, you can like sit it. Anyway, let's get to it. Put that to the side. All right, so take the front casing off first. Really snug fit. I love these also for that reason. And put the phone in here. There we go. Pop that in the front first, and then we're going to go ahead and install it here. Pretty simple. Just like that. Pull this off. There we go. Wipe down. Gorgeous. Different viewing angles, 1, 2. I mean, it's the same, but we've got one like that also. We can lay it there. So there we have it. Collapse that. And there we go. Unicorn Beetle Pro by Supcase. Note 20 Plus. And again, I know, so I have one other phone. I know a lot of tech guys usually have about 4 or 5 or 6 different phones. I love the Note so much. I mean, I just stick with it, and this is just what I know. So mostly you're gonna see me doing cases for phones. You won't see very many phones on here yet. So I'm gonna take a look at the buttons here. There's microphone hole there. Buttons, volume up and down rocker. Bixby button or utility button. S-Pen slot. Slides out pretty easy. There we go. Charge station. Speaker holes. Microphone. Camera. With a bump. So it's recessed so it won't damage your camera. And it also has little feet here. Little branding here. My Unicorn Beetle. Anyway, there we have it. Again, Unicorn Beetle Pro by Supcase. This is V. I'm out.